Hello, this is G. Ramesh Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SNS College of Technology. The course code and the course name is 23ITT101, Programming in C and Data Structures, Unit 1, Introduction to C, Operators. The topic is Operators. So, C operators. So the C language supports a rich set of built-in operators. So an operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a certain mathematical or logical operation. So these operators are used in the program to manipulate the data and the variables. So we have the number of type of operators. The first one is arithmetic operators, then relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators. Then comes the conditional operator, bitwise operator, and special operators. So this is the general process by which the operators is divided. The operator by which the operator is given its name. So first one is unary operator. So we could see like increment and decrement, and that is plus plus and minus minus. We call it as an increment or a decrement operator. Then binary operator. So the binary operator consists of arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, and the assignment operator. The third one is ternary operator. So this is the ternary or the conditional operator. So this represents the question mark and the semicolon or the colon. These are the types of operators with its description. So arithmetic operators. So these are used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So assignment is used to assign the values. Relational operators is used to compare the value of two variables. Then the logical operators is used to perform logical operations on the given two variables. Then the bitwise operators is used to perform the bit operations on given two variables. Then the conditional or the ternary operator. So this is used to return the value if the condition is true, or returns the false value if the condition is false. So this is increment or decrement operators that is used to increment or decrement a value. In the special operators, there is ampersand and asterisk symbols. These are used. First one is arithmetic operators. So as we saw previously in the tabulation, so arithmetic operators, as the name suggests, it is used for addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, and remainder of the division. So we'll go for an example. So this example shows the arithmetic operators. So first we are having C is equal to A plus B, that is used for addition, then A minus B subtraction, division, multiplication, all those things. So this is for performing the arithmetic operations. So next one is relational operator. So as we saw previously, relational operator used to compare the two variables, two variables or the two values, and returns true if it is true condition, it is false if it is in false condition. So first one is operator and its meaning is given in it. So this is less than operator. It returns true if the first value is smaller than the second value. Then returns the other one returns true if the first value is larger than second value, and it goes on less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, and not equal to. So an example for this, so this can be used if when we are checking the conditions, whether the three we are given with three numbers, and among the three numbers which is the greatest one. So we we check with, for example, if we are given with three values, like a value for A, B, and C, that is A is 5, B is 2, and C is 3. So we are checking if A is greater than, we are checking it with A is greater than B, and we are checking if A is greater than C, and if so, A is greater one. Otherwise we are checking the values of B with A and C, B with A and C, and finally if it is greater one, we are declaring we are displaying that B is greater. If not, we are just going with the option C, that is C is greater one. And next one is the logical operator. So this logical operators, it has gates like logical and, logical or, logical not. So if it is double and, that it is logical and double or, then it is logical or, not it is logical not. These are gate like oriented operators. Next one is increment and decrement operators. So increment decrement operators are called the unary operator because both need only one operand. So increment adds 1 to the existing value. So increment, it means adds 1 to the existing value. Decrement, it subtracts 1 from the existing value. So pre-increment and pre-decrement. So this is in case of pre-increment, the value of the variable is increased by 1 before the expression evaluation. In case if it is in pre-decrement, the value of variable is decreased by 1 before the expression variable. So this is the pre-increment and pre-decrement. So this is an example given. So pre-increment is plus plus I, or pre-decrement is minus minus I. We are just differentiating with the plus plus and minus minus before or after the variable. This is an output of the previous one. So post increment and post decrement. So as we saw previously, before incrementing, so post increment is the value of variable is increased by 1 after the expression evaluation. So previously in example we saw plus plus I and minus minus I. So in this we could see j is equal to I plus plus. This is the post increment and post decrement process, the value of or the output of the previous program. Then comes the assignment operator, equal to, then plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to. This is used for assigning the left side values to the right hand side variable. I mean, like checking or assigning the values. This used for assigning the values. This is an example. Bitwise operator. So bitwise operator is, and the result of bitwise and is 1 if all the bits are 1, otherwise it is 0. So these are some of the conditions operators. So this is used for perform bit level operations in C programming language, that when we are using the bitwise operation, the operations are performed based on the binary values. So the operator and not and bitwise shift operators, left shift and right shift operators are given with its meaning. So bitwise and bitwise or operators. So first one is bitwise AND operator. So bitwise AND operator is 1 if the corresponding bits of 2 operands is 1. If either bit of one operand is 0, then result is the result is taken as 0. That is, if you are having two values, and if both the values are 1, the value is taken as 1, or else it is taken as 0. So this is an example of bitwise AND. Next one is the conditional operator, question mark, and it is also called the ternary operator. So condition true part on the false part. So if the condition is true, it returns true, and if the condition is false, it returns false. Special operator, size of, pointer and dot and comma, etc. So pointer operator, it is the asterisk symbol, and comma operator as we use in the program, and it is a dot operators. Thank you.